Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do maintenance on a Zippo. You need pliers, screwdriver, flathead, Q-tips, Zippo flings, fluid, and a wick. Okay. First, take the Zippo out of the key. Like that. And one second. Okay. Need to get a tripod for this. Okay, so unscrew this screw with the screwdriver. Take it out. I have a new flint in here, so I'm not gonna change it. But basically, that's what you do. Okay, so then take this out. Fuck, I need a tripod. Okay, so take it out. Once you take it out, you see that? Alright. Then yeah. You're gonna get pliers. Take all this out. Until you see the wick. So I'm just gonna do that quick. Until you see that. Okay. So mine's good because I changed it yesterday. But yeah. So you do it. One second. Okay, so I put it back in. Now I'm gonna put fluid in. Not too much, but if you just changed your flint, then you're gonna want to put more. I mean your wick. Then put this piece. That. Flint. That. And that's it. And that's how you do maintenance on a Zippo. I know that wasn't the best video. Probably not even close to the best video. But, yeah. That's how you do it. Yep.